Hi friends, today topic is prime number. What is meant by prime numbers? Before going to the topic, just I will tell about the natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, as well as rational numbers, irrational numbers. What is meant by? What is natural numbers? Whatever the number starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, up to the infinity number, that should be called it as natural numbers. Infinity means its number is not at all ending. Those numbers are infinity. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4. If the number that those are all natural numbers. If 0 is a starting number and 1, 2, 3, 4 continues up to infinity, those numbers are whole numbers. If any number is 0 and negative and as well as a positive number is there up to infinity, plus 1, plus 2 and plus 3 up to infinity, and minus 2, minus 3 up to infinity, those numbers are integers. And what about the rational numbers? Natural numbers in the form of p by q form. P is nothing but a number I am taking, whatever the number, 15 by 6 as well as 7 by 8. In the form of p by q, that should be called it as rational numbers. And irrational is nothing but a 1.3, 5.4. Whatever the number, it is not all in the p and p by q form, that is called irrational numbers. The rational numbers and irrational numbers are called the real numbers. And okay, make we understand this topic. What is meant by prime number? The prime numbers are nothing but a whole number. The number which is divisible by 1 and that number itself, that is called the prime number. For example, 2. The 2 is divided by one number only, 1 divided by 2, as well as 2. Other than that number is not at all right. That is the prime number. For example, 3. 3 is divisible by 1. Other than that, 3 only. It is not at all divisible by any of the number. As well as 4. Yeah, 4 is divisible by 1, 2. That's why it is not at all called it a 1, 2, 4. 2, 4 is divisible by 2. Hence it is called as the other number is 2, right? That's why we are not all call it as prime number. Like that, 5. 5 is a prime number. 1 and 5 is a prime number. As well as 7. 7 is divisible by 1 and 7. Whatever the number is divisible by 1 and number itself, that is called the prime numbers. That's it, friends. And what are the important questions asking in prime numbers? I will let you know, guys. Okay, I will take the example. Next slide. Okay, I will tell here why I am written n square is equal to n square is greater than p. N is nothing but a natural number squares, and p is the given number of what I am taken. For example, I will take the few numbers. Okay, let's see. I will take 64. Whether it is a natural number or whether it is a prime number or not. See, n square by p. What is the n square? We have to remember up to 25 squares. It would be very easy for finding the prime number. That's why I am written here. What is the okay, I will call it as 66. Is the 66 number is a prime number for the asking question? Whatever. Here 64 and 9 square is the highlighted number. 9 square is greater than 66, isn't it? For the n square number. What are the natural numbers? What are the prime numbers until 9, 5 and 7? 2, 3, 5, 7. 66 is divided by 2, hence it is not a 33, hence it is not a prime number. Whatever the number is divisible 1 and itself, those are all the prime number, hence it is 2 is divisible by 66, that's why it is not at all a prime number. Okay, I will take a few more example. 66 is not a prime number. I will take one more example. Okay, 67. Whatever the 67 I will take for the next number only. The same criteria, n square greater than p. Whatever the number is nearer to the square, it is 81, that is 9 square. 9 square is greater than 67. 2, 3, 5 are the prime number until 9. 2, 3, 5 and 7. Is that 67 divisible by 2? Nope, right? Nope. Is that 3 to the 6 and 7 is not divisible. Nope. What is the number is 5 and that would be divisible as 5. That is also not, and 7 is also not. Hence 67 is a prime number. This number is not at all divisible by 67. Hence it is a prime number. Okay, I will take few more example. I will take 193, guys, friends. 193 is the 190 which number is square is equal 193 14, isn't it? 14 square is greater than 190. What are the prime numbers until 14? 2, then 3, then 5, then 7, then 11 and 13. Is that 193 divisible by 2? No, right? Cancel, because whatever the number is at the end is 2, 4, 6. Those are all the number divisible by 2. Already uploaded video for the divisibility rule. Please see the video, then come back to this video. Then definitely you will understand 3. 180 is not divisible by 3, as well as 7. 5 is not divisible by 5, and 7 is also divisible by, not divisible by 7. 11 is also divisible by 7. Why? 3, 4. 4 minus 9 is 5. That is not divisible. 13 also is not divisible by 13 on the 13. 63. 63 is not divisible by 93. 193. Hence it is a prime number. 193 is a prime number. I will take one example. I will wind up. Then I will move to the prime factors as well as the number of prime factors. Okay. Last example I will take. Which number I will take? 349. I will take 349. Which number is equal for that? 19 square. 19 square is greater than 340. Until that number we need to write 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17. Okay, is this divided by 349? Is it divided by 2? No, right? No. 3, no, because 3 plus 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. Is that 16 is divisible by 3? No, that's why 3 is not, and 5 is not at all possible. 7 is also not at all possible. 11 is also not at all possible. 13 is also not at all possible, and 17 also not at all possible. 17 to the 34, and 9 is not divisible, completely divisible by 17. That's why 314 is a prime number. Is that like we need to calculate the prime number? How to calculate the prime numbers like we are doing? Then I will take what is prime factor. The prime factor is nothing multiples of the prime number. For example, I will take these are all the examination question. Please let's observe carefully, friends. 24, because can I write on as 4 into 3, 12? Yeah, of course, but 4 is not a prime number. Can I write on a 4 it as 2 into 2 into 3? These are all the prime factors for the 12 number. Or else what how many numbers are the prime factors for 12? Like that they would ask. For 3 numbers are the prime factor, that 2 into 3. Again for this number 228. 220, I will take the LCM for the 228. What is the 228? 2 on the 2114, as well as 2, 5 the 10, 1 carry, 2 7 the 14, and 57 is divisible by 3, 3 3 1 the 3, and 3 9 the 27. For 2 carry is coming. Okay, what are the prime factors? 2 into 2 into 3 into 19 is the prime factor for the number 228. 19, isn't it? How many numbers are there? 4 numbers are the prime factor for the number 228. Like 775. What is the LCM for 775? 5 and the 5, 2 carry, 5 and the 5, again 2 carry, 5 5 the 25, again 5, 5 to the 15, 5 on the 5. 31 is divided by any of the number? No, right? Then 5 into 5 into 31 is the prime factors for the number 775. Like that we need to calculate if any of the question coming for the exam. what are the prime factors, we need to calculate like this. Okay, these are the things. What is number of factors? What is number of factors? Whatever the power is mentioned, we need to calculate and do. Those are all the prime factors. Number of prime factors. We need the sum of the the sum of the power of the prime factor is called the prime number of prime factor. How could be? For example, 9 can be written as 3 square, and can I written as 8 cube as 2 cube, and 5 is nothing but a 5, only power is 1. We need to add the power of the numbers, prime numbers. 2 into 2 plus 3, 6, 1, 7. 7 is the prime factor for this number. Hence, this is not a prime number. Could we write it as 2 into 3, 2 to the power of 10 into 3 to the power of 10 into 7, 17. And 55 is not a prime number, then we could segregate as 5 into 11, 55, 27, as well as 11 by 27, and adding those all the powers, 10 into 20, 30, 20, 50, 70, 70 plus 20, 7 into 3, 21. Therefore 91 is the prime number of the prime factors. Like that, don't confuse if any divisible like that. It is the only addition of the number. If don't confuse like these kind of questions. 17 plus 44 plus 5. Okay, 10, 50, 50 plus 9, 59, 59 plus 7, 66 is the prime factors, number of prime factors for this number. Like that, we need to, these are all the question asking for the prime numbers. Better to, better to work it out for these kind of problems. And if you are liking this, please hit the like button as well as subscribe button. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. And many of the videos uploaded in my channel as well Kannada as well as the English. Please see all the videos for the shortcut max as well as technical videos, and I added in the description section. Please see all the videos. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much, guys.